You can see I've received my box, it's still got the seal on.
Benjamin Churchill here, and today I'm here with my Agent Rainmaker box for the Agent Rainmaker Unboxing Challenge.
Hey! Agent Rainmaker! No! What on earth can it be?
There's been a delivery.
Oh, Agent Rainmaker! Lisa, look, we've got a box!
I'm really excited. I've got this exciting package here. Let's see what's inside.
I don't know, I'm hoping.
Free gift. Let's see what we've got.
So Heather, you've had a delivery this morning.
I have! Look at this! I don't ever get packages. It feels like Christmas and Easter all rolled into one.
I've got a delivery from Agent Rainmaker.
Well, it's not often we get parcels in the post anymore, is it?
It's a black letter.
So we've got our nice Agent Rainmaker boxes in today. Let's see what free gift we've brought.
Oh my god, Harry! What have we got here? This is our Agent Rainmaker box.
Where are we going, Jill?
We're going to the Agent Rainmaker in October.
Let's find out what's in this box. Honestly, I just can't wait now. So I'm going to open it.
Let's not waste another minute. Let's have a look what's inside.
Our Agent Rainmaker boxes have just arrived, so I'm just about to open mine up. Parcel around for you.
Who's this for?
Agent Rainmaker.
Agent Rainmaker.
Here we are. Exciting. Nice Rainmaker box.
Martin Co. open my Agent Rainmaker box.
What's just washed up on the sea? Look onto the beach. Oh my god, what's this?
Let's see what's inside.
Ooh, sissy! Oh, that's good. I've got a hat.
Hey, look, a t-shirt, perfect, which may well make me look a little bit more suitable.
I think I just need to put this on, don't I, really? It's not going to go.
After all that, woohoo! I get a priority pass.
Hello. We've got a wand.
Oh, I know what's happened. I think Hedwig's mixed up and sent your package to Warner Brothers Studios and sent us the one for Hogwarts.
You look like Just William.
Oh, okay, excellent. We might be in this time next year, Martin.
54 ways to grow your letting agency. Some good bedtime reading there. Are you excited, Harry? Are you
I'm so excited, Megan.
Got my lovely hat.
Look at this. A t-shirt. Wow, so I should be wearing this out and about dog walking. A lovely t-shirt.
Oh, stickers, wonderful stickers.
The t-shirt we're all going to be wearing on the day. Now, what else have we got?
Apologies everybody, you are going to end up with me being there.
So we've got a hat. Can't really get it on throw, but there we go.
When it's flesh, I hustle sticker. That'll be going straight in my basket.
The greatest real agent stories ever told. And our Sally Lawson. We can't do without Sally.
My Agent Rainmaker box. At last, found it. What a smoking hot read. 54 ways to grow your letting agency.
The Change Masters, yeah, that's definitely us, isn't it? We've implemented lots of different changes this year and we've done fantastically well.
New t-shirt. I'll be wearing that at Rainmaker Live in October. Fantastic.
Here at Harry Potter Studios, I should try one of the lovely cloaks. I found another hidden gem to the Agent Rainmaker Live box.
Designer t-shirt. Oh my god. Oh. That is so cool. I'm going in and looking forward to seeing you guys at Agent Rainmaker.